I feel so grown. So here's the receipt. 6 big buns. So for this next item, I am very excited. So I want to quickly put everything that I can put in the fridge.
1, 2, 3, funky.
I passed by Quickmart and got a few things. But first, let me show you my nails. I feel so grown. They're so cute. What do you think, guys? I love them. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Let me show you with the ring on how they look. So this is how it looks like with a ring on. Goodness. I love them. I love them so much. So let me quickly show you what I got and also how much I spent. The receipt was somewhere here. I spent a total of 1,473. What did I get? I got these rolls, this kitchen towel rolls. This one. It is the Velvex one. It was going for 195 shillings. So I was lacking one. I'll put it over there later. Then we have these buns. These buns were going for 79 shillings. They are 6 big buns. Yeah. Strawberry ice cream. It was going for 110 shillings. Toothpaste. I'm not out of toothpaste, but I felt I should buy because I'm remaining with tubes that look like they can be over at any time. It was 280 shillings. I got some beef sausages. This is how they packed it. They are 10. They were going for 379 shillings, which I feel is cheaper. These wet wipes, Bella wet wipes, for 130 shillings. Top, the lemon one, zesty lemon one. This was going for 190 shillings. Then finally, I got this geisha coconut and honey soap. I couldn't find the black soap. This was going for 110 shillings. It's the coconut and honey one. So this is everything I got. So for this next item, I am very excited to show you guys. It feels like my house is almost complete, like I'm almost done buying things that I've felt are important, that were important. I have almost all of them, and I thank God so much. Like, I'm so grateful. So let me quickly show you what this is. Yeah, so proud of myself and so thankful. Like, I'm so grateful. You don't know. Say hi to the newest addition to this house. Yeah, it's this pretty small fridge that I got. I already showed you the microwave, so I got this fridge. It's also a second-hand one, but it was pretty new. And let me quickly show you how the inside looks like. So we have I've been putting my skincare products here. I have some face masks and some black charcoal serum. Yeah, condiments, drinks. Then on this other side you have we have the ice cubes, then some milk, some yogurt, some juice, and some vegetables. Here we have some potatoes, some carrots, and some tomatoes. Yeah, so it's pretty functioning. It's been functioning okay. It's a Beko fridge. Yeah. And I love it so much. Oh my god, I love it. And it works perfectly. I haven't found any issue with it. And above we have just the microwave. Yeah, those are my nails, of course. Yeah. So I want to quickly put everything that I can put in the fridge to get rid of that mess that I made over there. Yes. I've put everything here. So now we have the buns over here. Then in the freezer we have the ice cream and the sausages. Yes. Saizi mambo ya, there's no sasa going to the neighbors to ask kuwekewa things. But I'm so grateful for my neighbors. They are so nice. There's still a bit of storage. I was worried about the storage size, but I can always change things around just to make sure everything fits. Yeah, this is what we have. This is my favorite wine. It's the Saint. This is Saint Clair, and this is Saint Anna. Saint Clair is a sweet, rosé, natural sweet rosé. Then Saint Anna is a natural sweet white wine. Very nice. Sio kila siku Sela Cask and 5th, inaitwa 4th Street. Try stop throwing shade.